Well, no.
Wait, is it recording now?
This is the nicest visit I think we've had in a long time. Stable, it's the most stable I've seen in a long time.
I do like your hair, by the way.
Look at the rest of the cake.
Oh, no, that's okay.
I can imagine what you did to see. I wish you had to get it done.
I don't care. I'll be my sweet granddaughter.
You're the guinea pig, you're the guinea pig.
Right, exactly.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow, actually.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
What is that?
Don't put that on my face.
It's like a car engine.
I know, what the heck? Alright. I can't figure out how to do my update on this.
Hang on, if it would stop recording.